Hello students, this is Mr. Sunny Kare, Assistant Professor, Vivekanand College, Kolhapur. Today we are going to discuss regarding nature of motivation. Now what is motivation? Here are some definitions of motivation. Definition number 1. Motivation means a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish the desired goals. Motivation is an important aspect of directing function of management. It aims at influencing the behavior of subordinates for better performance and achieving the desired result. The major problem in maximizing the human performance is the level of motivation. So motivation means it is a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish the desired goal. Second definition, motivation is an inspiration process which impels the member of the team to accomplish the desired goals. Again, the motivation is nothing but a process of inspiration, process of stimulating person, people, individual, workers to accomplish the goals which he or she has. Now let us move to nature of motivation. Motivation is an internal instinct. Basically, motivation is a psychological concept mainly concerned with those forces operating within an individual that propel him to act or not to act in a particular way. Second nature, the whole man is motivated. A person is motivated in totality and not in a part. Each individual in the organization is a self-contained unit and his needs are interrelated. These affect his behavior in different ways. Motivation is a need-based. Motivation is related to need satisfaction. If there are no needs to an individual, the process of motivation fails. So, the motivator for motivation is a need. Next, motivation is a continuous process. As we know, man is a wanting animal. Human wants are unlimited and recurring in nature. When one need is satisfied, the other need pop up. Motivation is related to those unending wants, hence it is a continuous process. Motivation either positive or negative. Motivation can be either positive or negative. Positive motivation emphasizes the rewards for getting the work done, such as salary increase, bonus, commission, etc., which improves the quality and increase profit of the business, and which helps to create a sound human relations. On the contrary, negative motivation emphasizes the punishment for not doing a work. It speaks of control of performance through fines, penalties, and demotions, etc. All these results in minimum output and damages the output. Next is motivation is a complex process. Motivation is a complex process because the motivation is depend upon the needs, and needs are different, and their complexity arises because of the nature of needs and the types of behavior that is attempted to satisfy those needs. Motivation can be monetary or non-monetary. The motives forming the driving force of motivation may be monetary or non-monetary. Monetary motives are the incentives payable in money such as salary, commission, bonus, etc., while non-monetary motivation consists of incentives payable in terms other than money such as promotion, praise, recognition, etc. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you.